Good afternoon, Standard 4th. In last lesson, we have learned how Shivaji signed a treaty of peace. According to this treaty, the term of this treaty was he handed over 23 forts and revenue of 4 lakh horns, matlab gold coins, were to be handed over to the emperor. And this treaty was known as the Treaty of Purandar, and it was signed in the year 1665. So, next in this lesson, Shivaji meets the emperor in Agra. Shivaji gives a slip to the emperor. So now let us see and understand in this lesson what Shivaji is going to do and how does he treat the emperor in Agra. Okay. So putting his trust in Jai Singh was a trusted follower of Shivaji. Shivaji left to Agra to visit the emperor. Before leaving for Agra, Shivaji handed over the administration of his Swaraj to his mother Jijabai. Who was the mother of Shivaji? Jijabai, and took her blessings. With him were his son Sambhaji Raje. Who was the son of Shivaji Maharaj? Sambhaji Raje. Now underline the word Sambhaji Raje. Some chosen Sardar and a few trusted people, he also carried with him a large treasure. In due course, he reached Agra. Then the Shivaji Maharaj reached Agra. Next, coming to Shivaji shows his spirit at the emperor's court. On the pre-arranged day, Shivaji Maharaj attained the emperor's darbar. Young Sambhaji Raje accompanied him. It was Aurangzeb's 50th birthday. Whose birthday they were celebrating? They were celebrating Aurangzeb's birthday, the emperor in Agra. After finishing court in Diwan-i-Khans, the emperor entered the hall where matters of state were discussed. In front of him stood his chief Sardar in serial rank according to their status. Jaswant Singh Rathod, can you all see the image? Jaswant Singh Rathod, whom the Maratha had put to flight on many occasions, was in the rank ahead of Shivaji. The emperor put Shivaji in one of the back rows. Shivaji became angry. After all, he was the king of the sovereign state of Maharashtra. Who was the king of sovereign state of Maharashtra? Shivaji Maharaj. And his status demanded that he should be in the front rank. So, Shivaji thought that he will be in the front rank. But the Agra emperor made him to stand in end of the line. This was a deliberate insult which he would not suffer lying down. Angry and insulted, he turned his back on the royal presence and made for his residency. He decided never to see the emperor face again. Now Shivaji decided not to see the emperor face again because he was insulted. The visit was thus a failure. The news of an incident spread everywhere. Now the Shivaji came to Agra to give a slip to the emperor, but there Shivaji Maharaj was insulted. So he thought again he won't visit the Agra's emperor. He will return from there. Okay. So next, the emperor's टेरर्ची. What is the meaning of टेरर्ची? टेरर्ची means having hidden dangerous. मतलब उसको मालूम पड़ा कि इधर कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, अभी मुझे सब लोग अटैक करेंगे. So Shivaji Maharaj came to know that. Aurangzeb ordered guards to be posted around Shivaji's residency. Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Raje thus became for all practical purposes. Now, Shivaji Maharaj and his son Sambhaji Maharaj was captured by emperors of Agra. They were arrested. Shivaji understood the emperor's टेरर्ची. टेरर्ची means hidden problem, hidden dangerous. He realized that the emperor would never let him return to Maharashtra. अभी शिवाजी महाराज को मालूम पड़ा ये आगरा का एम्परर जो भी है अभी मुझे वापस जाने के लिए नहीं छोड़ेंगे, अभी मुझे वो लोग बंद करेंगे. Okay students, days and weeks passed. Then one day Shivaji Maharaj petitioned to the emperor for permission to return to Maharashtra. Days and weeks passed. Then one day Shivaji Maharaj petitioned to the emperor of permission to return to Maharashtra. He tried again and again, but every time his requests were turned down. Then Shivaji Maharaj made up his mind to escape from the emperor's clutches. अभी महाराज शिवाजी महाराज ने तोड़ा, अभी ये लोग मुझे छोड़ेंगे नहीं, अभी मैं यहाँ से कैसे भी करके निकल जाती हूँ. To begin with, he obtained the emperor's permission to send back to the south the person who had accompanied him to Agra. The emperor was happy. He thought that Shivaji Maharaj would now be completely isolated. The only person left with him now was Sambhaji Raja. अभी शिवाजी महाराज का कौन थे? संभाजी राजे. He was the son of Shivaji Maharaj, and the two servants Hironji फरजान एंड मधारी मेहतर, ये दोनों ट्रस्टेड फॉलोवर थे. किसका? शिवाजी महाराज का. सून आफ्टर शिवाजी महाराज प्रिटेंडेड टू बी इल. अभी शिवाजी महाराज नाटक करने लगे कि उसका तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. ही accompanied of several pain in the stomach. Doctors were called. They started treating the patient. Shivaji started sending out huge baskets of sweets to sadhus and maulyas for his quick recovery. Okay, next. Escape from Agra. Now Shivaji will be escaped from Agra's court. How he will escape Shivaji? In the beginning, the guard outside would examine the basket. In the course of time, they got tired of this daily routine and stopped it. One evening, Shivaji made Hiroji sleep in his bed and asked Madari to massage his feet. Then Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Raje hid themselves in two of the many baskets that were going out. अभी शिवाजी महाराज ने क्या किया? जो सरदार जो उन लोगों को गार्ड कर रहे थे उन लोगों को बेड पे सुलाया और ये दोनों एक बास्केट में, जो बास्केट में फ्रूट्स और स्वीट्स जा रहे थे ना, वो बास्केट में ये लोग छुप गए थे. The basket were supposed to contain sweets and allowed to pass unchecked at a place previously fixed. Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Raje got out of the basket. Their faithful servants were waiting for them with the horses kept ready for flight in the time. At the meantime, उसका फॉलोवर सरदार, किसका? शिवाजी महाराज का, वो लोग वहाँ पे रुक रहे थे शिवाजी महाराज को लेने के लिए. Hiroji and Madari left the house in Agra under the pretext that they were going to the doctor to get some medicine. The two of them risked their own life and made a valuable contribution to the task of freeing Maharaj from imprisonment. अभी ये लोग भी, हिरोजी एंड मादारी, ये लोगों ने बहुत रिस्क उठा के वहाँ से निकल जाते. किधर? कहाँ से? आगरा एम्परर फोर्ट से. The next, the emperor came to know of Shivaji's escape the next day. The next day, the emperor in Agra came to know that Shivaji Maharaj has escaped. Okay. His Sardar were frightened. The emperor will send spies all over the country to trace Shivaji. अभी आगरा के एम्परर सब जगह सरदार को भेजा, आर्मी को भेजा शिवाजी महाराज को ढूंढने के लिए. All the search, however, was in vain. मतलब किसी को महाराज नहीं मिला. Once escaped, the Maratha lion was never again caught in the emperor's net. अभी मराठा लायन कौन है? शिवाजी महाराज. अभी एक बार उन्होंने वहाँ से निकल गया, अभी किसी का हाथ में वो शिवाजी महाराज पकड़ने के लिए नहीं आएगा. ओके. In disguise, Shivaji Maharaj started towards Maharashtra. He left young Sambhaji Raje behind in a safe place at Mathura and in due course reached Rajgarh. Okay, now safely he reached Rajgarh. Jija Mata was overjoyed to see Shivaji safe and back home. Now Jija Mai was very happy to see Shivaji Maharaj back. 2 months later, Sambhaji also arrived safely at Rajgarh. After that, after 2 months, उसका बेटा भी वापस आ गए. In this way, with great skill and daring, Shivaji gave the slip to the emperor and returned to the safety of his kingdom. In which year? This was in the year of 1966. This is how Shivaji Maharaj went to Agra and he gave the slip to his Agra emperor and escaped from there. I hope you have understood the lesson and enjoyed the class. Keep reading the textbook. Thank you. Have a great day.